I'm also going to do a hat. So I will end up with black in the center. So I'm going to just pay attention to that. And I'm going to line about right here. Just like so. And then I will come down here. And that's it. So then I can flood in these edges. All right, I'm gonna set this off to the side for our little baby. Moving on to our hat. And you can see this goes very, very quickly. Get in here with my scriber tool. This is the perfect consistency too. Scriber tool. And you can bring it out a little bit more over that edge if you'd like. Okay. Set that one off to the side as well. He will be the last thing that I do. I do want this to set up a little bit more before I just pipe into that because I don't want these colors to bleed. So we're gonna just let that be. Okay, so this is sat for a little bit. So I'm gonna go ahead and line this. Go ahead and fill this in. So we've got our stiff. So I'm just gonna come through. And line that. Same thing over here. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and let this in. There we go. And that's it. a little tap. Make sure that black settles down. And there you go. In this lesson, we're going to be doing our little leprechaun hat, and I want to add a cute little star on here. Maybe right over here. But I don't like this color. So I'm going to change it because I want it to match, you know, all my sprinkles and such. So I'm going to take a little bit of that color that we were using earlier, and I'm going to just tamp down that color. So let me bring this over so everybody can see what I'm doing. So I'm just going to take some of that color and I'm going to just change it so it's not so bright. And this is a sugar lay-on, so it's completely edible. It's made out of cast sugar and then painted with some food coloring. I want to bling this out, so I'm going to add a little bling to it. So now we have a color that is more in line with our theme. So I'm going to set that right there. Just make sure I get it nice and blinged out there. And then I'm going to bring my cookie back over. I'm going to place a little dot about right here of the royal. It's going to be my glue. And then I'm going to affix my little star. And then I'm just going to come through the edges here with a little bit more of that color and just kind of dirty it up a little bit. So there we go. Just give it kind of that little highlighter effect. Just like so. There you go. That's it.